Casa Zazil, designed by Frenna Arquitectos, is located in Colima, Mexico. The house is distinguished by its horseshoe-shaped, C-shaped, floor plan, which creates a sense of enclosure and protection for its inhabitants. This configuration not only ensures privacy but also shields the interior from the intense Colima climate and sunlight, all while maintaining a strong connection to the surrounding landscape. The C-shaped layout fosters both privacy and openness. The interior spaces are clearly divided into two main zones: the social areas on the ground floor, which open toward views of the golf course and mature surrounding vegetation, and the private bedrooms on the upper floor, which are characterized by warmth and tranquility, enhanced by wooden carpentry and generous natural light from large windows. Casa Zazil stands out for its use of local natural materials, particularly stone sourced from the nearby Colima volcano and richly grained wood. These materials provide both durability and a tactile connection to the local context. Large stone volumes convey a sense of solidity, while the wooden and steel roofs appear to float delicately above, achieving a balance between mass and lightness. Walking through Casa Zazil is a sensory journey. The sound of wind rustling through the vegetation, the textures of stone and wood, and the changing patterns of light and shadow throughout the day all contribute to a dynamic living environment that is closely attuned to nature. The interior design continues the theme of natural integration, with furniture and finishes selected in collaboration with local artisans and Mexican designers. These elements are understated and harmonious, allowing the inhabitants to bring their own color and life to the space. The name Zazil comes from the Mayan language, meaning light. This concept is central to the home's design. Skylights, perforated walls, and controlled openings bring in diffused daylight, creating a poetic interplay of light and shadow. The movement of light throughout the day gives the house a living, dynamic quality. Casa Zazil by Frenna Arquitectos stands as an excellent example of contextual architecture that harmoniously blends beauty with functionality and prioritizes the creation of a living experience genuinely connected to nature. The intelligent use of light, materials, and spatial organization transforms this house into a tranquil and luminous oasis, truly embodying the meaning of its name, Zazil.